Where daddy? Where is Joy? You don't know? Where is Joy? No? Go get Joy. Go. She in the bathroom. Go. Go get Joy. She brushed her teeth. Go. Go to the bathroom. You want to go see daddy? Yes. Daddy, you want Nick? Daddy? You want Nick? Go see daddy. Go. Go see daddy. Or you want to go kitchen? What do you want in the kitchen? Bacon? Egg? What do you want? You want egg? Yeah? Or bacon? Bacon? What about carrot? You have not eaten carrot for a long time. Okay, let's go to kitchen. Let's go kitchen. Yeah? Carrot? You go kitchen? Want to go to the kitchen? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Get Joy and go to the kitchen, okay? Get Joy. Joy, take me to the kitchen. Nick want eat. Nick want snack. Bacon. Carrot. Egg. Let's go. Kitchen. Wait for Joy. You want to go kitchen? Walk to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen. No, come on. Come on, Nick.